Hi guys, this is gstalon.com and I'm here with a special version of the Xiaomi 12T Pro. It's the Daniel Arsham Edition. He's a New York-based artist who practices fine art, architecture, performance, and this time he wanted to show us a vision of, bronze crystals and the passage of time through this used bronze. That's the imitation that the backside has here. This is an artistic phone, only 2,000 units available all over the world, 900 euros price tag, but the specs are the same as a regular Xiaomi 12T Pro. I'm talking about a 6.67-inch screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. I'm also talking about the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor inside, good enough for gaming, and of course that impressive 5,000 mAh battery with 120 watt charging, meaning it will charge in less than 30 minutes. But the core here is the combination of art and technology. Even the camera module has received some tuning. You can see here some spots on the 200 megapixel camera module. The passage of time is the core of the art shown here, thanks to Daniel Arsham. He's had exhibits in China, in the UK, in US, in the Biennale in Greece. So he's a pretty major artist. And aside from the backside, which has been customized with bronze crystals, the widgets and the wallpaper have also received the same theme, green colored. And not only that, we also have this box here with the same color and bronze crystals, while the box itself has an interesting pattern. There is a box in a box thing here. So let me show you what's inside. Usually a special edition phone is pricier, so to be honest, 900 euros isn't that much. We have this envelope here, which includes the documents, which are available in green. I would say it's a billiards table green, that's the hue I'm getting, coupled with the bronze crystals. And here's the Hefty Charger, which is also green, with an USB-A connector at 120 watts. And also green is the cable you can see here from USB-C to USB-A. That's everything available inside the box, just like we would get on a regular version. However, the difference is that this time you're getting it with special bronze crystals. Okay, so this is a special edition phone, only 2,000 of them made all over the world, so I'm lucky enough to have one. Officially, they're only sold in Germany, Italy, France, and a few other countries, but I was able to get one just for a quick hands-on. I'm pretty sure that in a few years they will be up for auction and some lucky people will be able to, well, actually make some decent money out of them. And I also want to show you my favorite feature for the Xiaomi 12T Pro. You take a 200 megapixel shot, you go here, and there's something called PRO Cut. Thanks to PRO Cut, you can divide the image like this into 4 shots, but you can also split it in more. So if I take a wider stance, I have a fir tree here. I should also be able to create via PRO Cut a vertical photo to post on my story, on Instagram and Facebook and more. And that's only one of the features of the phone, of course, 200 megapixel camera with a lot of light sensitivity. And this texture here, the texture varies on this phone. It's smoother here, it's rougher here, depending on the areas you put your fingers on. It's an excellent build and it's definitely something else. It's the first cooperation that Xiaomi has with an artistic designer. They had cooperations with other companies like McLaren for their electric scooters. And from what I know, they also had collaborations in the gaming area. However, artist-wise, this is a first. It also has dual speakers, courtesy of Harman Kardon, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. It's definitely good enough for gaming. So that's about it. Daniel Arsham, you can learn more about him here. He's from New York, he's a fine artsman and passionate about the appearance and aesthetic of erosion or archaeological and relics, future relics as he likes to call them. This has been a presentation of the Xiaomi 12T Pro Daniel Arsham Edition, a piece of art, a work of art, and I definitely recommend you look up the other works of this artist. Goodbye.